So now we'll cover how Bill takes both the AI and his wisdom in investing and working in Wall Street to really give him an edge. So Bill, off to you.
Okay, so let's start with a chart. All right, so here's Ian's favorite chart: total altcoin market cap. Okay, now we have a double bottom down here, meaning altcoins as a whole, big ones, made two bottoms, and now they've taken out this peak. Now, that means there is much more upside in both probably the big and the small coins, like a lot more, like this much more. Okay. Now, with ETH moving today, frankly, I'm expecting a bigger breakout. So which bigger coins look interesting? Okay, now let's start with this. I noticed that people have been asking me, what can I hop on that would do well if alts go up a lot? And what could I get in if Bitcoin goes up a lot? Because Bitcoin going up is not always good for alts. Well, I just so happened to stumble on the fact that our TA grade right here for Bitcoin Cash is almost 90%. Okay. And when I went back and I looked at the chart of Bitcoin Cash, okay, I was like, check this out. Bitcoin Cash looks like it is about to break through a diagonal resistance. Now, what's my point here? Our AI has its own style. So I treat the AI as if we're a colleague making a presentation in like a trading war room. And it always seems like our AI likes it when something goes from consolidation and dips and then goes to trend. Okay. In other words, our TA indicators like to catch things before they move. So I thought this Bitcoin Cash was really interesting, okay, as a way to use, say, take the TA score and then look at the chart and maybe have one idea that goes with it. All right, now there's a second part. All right, now we're going to test how good I am at doing navigation on camera. So I like to sometimes be a little bit of a contrarian, okay? When I worked at another investment bank, that bank used to rate stocks objectively using a quant system from like A to D. And we used to say in a bull market, you want to buy the Ds, because if something develops and they get trending, a lot of people can rush in and buy. All right. So I went to Token Metrics and I said, okay, maybe there's something with our monthly TA indicator. Like maybe there's a list of things that they don't look so good now, but maybe the TA indicator is going to kick in at some point. So I looked at the TA indicator when it was high, and I wanted to look at, I don't know, what are the hidden technical analysis gems? So I went to the monthly TA trend indicator on our rankings and I picked bearish and I hit apply filter. Okay. Now look what comes up: Matic, Helium, Cardano, Zilliqa, Compound, and Stellar. Okay. Now these are all big coins, and I'm not going to kill you with the charts of all of them, but they're all big cap alts. Remember that first chart of altcoin market cap breaking out? Well, there are a lot of big coins that could transition from bearish to bullish. All right. So that means that even though like Yearn Finance is mooning and there's a lot of stuff that's mooning, there's a lot of stuff that isn't. Right. So if this crypto party was a college party, a lot of people think maybe it's 1 a.m. and I'm thinking maybe it's 11:30 p.m. and we got another 2.5 hours. So that's how I would use Token Metrics today.
All right. Thank you, Bill.